Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the preview of my project, so let's get started. I'm using this watercolor book. Um, then I'm going to use this card which is from Sarah Renee Clark 122. It's from the volume 1, and I mixed up one of the color which was not there, so I mixed and kept it ready for this project. And then I'm going to use that in the background. This is again another abstract. I'm using watercolor paints which is from King's Art. So I need more, so I'm mixing up again another round of that color. So it is kind of like a I forgot the name of that color. So it is not easily in lot of paint, so it's a good idea to mix it and use it. Then I'm using all the colors from that card. So I'm blending all those colors. Then I'm spraying some water on the top, and then it's easier to blend it that way, I think, for some of the projects. I'm kind of blending the two greens, that is the olive color and then the green, and adding that in this one. This makes it a little bright. And I'm leaving it white in between purposely. I didn't want to cover the whole thing. Now I'm darkening it. Now I'm using this stencil, and I'm going to use acrylic paint and use that paint over it. It is kind of like a darker green, and I'm going to use that. This stencil is like a geometrical stencil. So now I'm going to use this stencil which is from, I think, Tim Holtz. Then I'm using black paint, acrylic paint. And I'm adding those cross on that. And I'm going to add this in different areas. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and turn the notification on. That way you will get to see my videos as I post it. So I'm using now this acrylic paint pen, and then I'm doodling it. Acrylic paint pen is much better. It's like opaque, and it's easier to see it on the top. Now I'm using this white uniball pen and outlining those cross. Now I'm going to use this gold mica ink, and I'm going to use like a any kind of a round circle thing. um, so I'm going to just use that and put the circle on the project, gold circle on the project. So I'm going to end this project. Before ending this project, I'm going to use this watercolor. It's kind of like a watercolor paint. Um, it's called art graph. So I'm going to use brush and splatter on the top, and I'm going to finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you again. Bye.